How many hours a week are you spending jumping between platforms, and how much are you paying for subscriptions that don't even work together? In this video, I'm going to show you just how much time and money that you could be wasting by using separate tools for your online education and service-based business, including website, course hosting, funnels, payments, email marketing, and automations, and what you can do to fix it. Let's break it down. Running an online course and coaching business or a community typically requires a variety of tools and moving parts. Here's some of the main ones that most people in this type of business will be using. It's a lot, right? And getting it all set up right from the start is imperative to save you time and hassle later down the track, but more about that later. Let's be real, at the very least, an online education and service-based business needs the following tools and functions in their setup. And as a visual, here's what that looks like for you. Content creation to market and draw attention to your business and services, usually via social media, blogs, and email marketing. So you're drawing an audience to your website. Then on your website, you want to be able to collect leads, nurture them with free value, including lead magnets and booking clarity and discovery calls, and eventually have them buy from you. You also want to capture email addresses and see analytics of customers' history and the recurring themes in their purchases. Once they become customers, you want an easy-to-use private space for them to log into, access your online courses and community, a space for coaching programs, and the capacity for workbooks, downloads, videos, audio, live sessions, sending notifications, having auto subscriptions, and having it all automated for a great experience all around, not just for you, but also for your customers. And here are the potential ways to stick that all together if you're going to use separate tools and platforms. The costs that I've listed here are to the best of my knowledge based on my own or my clients' experiences. Plus, I've done a research on individuals' pricing at the time that this video was made. The features often vary, and therefore I've used an average ballpark to compare. It's honest to note that some platforms have free options, but most efficient business owners will outgrow those within the first 6 to 12 months. So it's very hard to compare apples to apples, but I've done my hardest here, and we're looking at website, basic hosting of a website, some email marketing, the secure place to host your course, coaching package, or community, your lead and sales funnels to bring people through to purchase, and of course the CRM database to host them as well. So all of this so far, the running total is $230 per month on average. And then we're going to also want to add some of these as well. So automation so that you don't have to be sitting at your desk 24/7 to serve people, a call booking system, video conferencing, a membership site, like if you have a membership community, and video hosting as well to host your videos and keep them safe just for your customers that have purchased them. So look at this, the minimum running total right now on average. Well, this isn't even the average actually. This is the minimum cost of all of these different platforms and pieces of software separately, or when we're bringing all the costs together, $356. And that doesn't even include like downloadable workbooks and audios, which, you know, the cost to store them in either an iCloud or a secure platform somewhere. A payment platform for your customers to obviously purchase from you to handle things like upsells and subscriptions and payment plans, to be able to auto issue receipts and refunds when required as well. Plus the content creation and the repurposing and the scheduling, all the content that you use to market and nurture your audience and customers and bring them into your world. It also doesn't include the other hidden costs that I'm going to talk about shortly, including time spent integrating platforms and troubleshooting when those tools don't sync well together. So that's the total cost of running this kind of business. What is it? So what's the total cost of running this kind of online business? Drum roll, please. When you add this all up, you're looking at least $400 per month or more. This is US dollars, by the way, just to manage your online business across multiple platforms. And as I said, this doesn't even include the time that you'll take to set it up, to integrate them together, to continue to make updates and fixes, to train your team or contractors, and even train your customers on how to use them all correctly in the right places. So what does your time really cost you? Let's talk about that. So let's talk about what your time really costs you. The hidden time that we spend mindlessly logging into different platforms, keeping up with the outages and new feature updates and improvements on each platform, setting up zaps or integrations to make sure everything works together, training your team or contractors how to use each piece and each software, spending time fixing the accidents that happen. You'll be educating your customers about how to access all the different moving parts that they need to. And this all adds up. And if you don't believe me, then I challenge you to set a timer on each task that you do on your business this week and watch the time blow up and slide away. Then I want you to compare the hours that you've captured and the timing and divide them by your hourly coaching or contracting rate. How much more could you be making in your business? And more importantly, how much more time does that give you to be out of office with the loved ones? This all adds up, and this all adds up. And if you don't believe me, then I challenge you to set a timer on all of the tasks that you do on your own business this week and watch the time blow up and slide away. Then I want you to grab that time that you capture and compare it, grab those hours, and I want you to multiply it by your hourly coaching rate or contracting rate. And how much more could you be making in your business? But actually, more importantly, how much more time does that give you that you could be out of office with your loved ones doing the things you love rather than fixing up integrations at midnight? That's how much your time is really costing you. And what does it really cost you? You're trying to do it all on top of the other hats that you wear as an online business owner, the financials, the advertising, the business development, the hiring, the HR, the networking, the customer service. It's exhausting, right? As the CEO and leader of your business, you want to be focused on the money-making activities and the tasks that only you can do with your specialist expertise. And the rest of the time, you could be like eating ice creams at the beach or whatever you choose to do for fun. We can't add more hours to our days or days to our week. And we can't clone ourselves at the time of making or creating this video. And we can't grow money trees either. So what is the solution? One platform for you. One platform for your team and the same platform for your customers. A platform that can do all of this and more, all in one place for one price. One solution that combines all of the tools into one platform. Your course hosting, your email marketing, your website hosting, your membership site capabilities, the leads and sales funnels, the video hosting, the CRM functionality, and instead of managing multiple subscriptions, you consolidate it all under one roof and just make one payment. That means no more juggling between different services or paying multiple monthly fees. Let's look at it visually again. This can be all done in one platform without any Zapier integrations or coding. No, you don't need to bring in specialists. It's all very included and helpful. Introducing you to Kajabi, formerly known as Kajabi with a blue. And maybe you've heard that it's so expensive, it's only for big gurus and grown-up businesses and you can't afford it right now. Let's rewind. Having your online education business on multiple platforms is going to cost you at least $400 in subscriptions per month. Plus all the time you've spent joining the pieces together and keeping yourself up to date and training your team and customers. So on Kajabi, all in one for you, your team and your customers, you can pay less money, have less time hassles, happy days. When you pay monthly or annually for 20% less, you get to start with a 30-day free trial, including my Getting Started on Kajabi Mini Course if you've joined via me. And instead of managing the multiple subscriptions, you can just consolidate everything. So you're not juggling. Here goes the prices here for you to take a look at. Starting from $55 per month for the Kickstarter, this will give you availability to have one course or one coaching product or one community, and you can upgrade as you need to grow and scale. So you can just start wherever you need to and just upgrade as you require as well. Nice and simple. Now let's talk about the hidden costs and time efficiency. With separate tools, you spend time learning different systems, integrating them, and troubleshooting issues. Kajabi's unified platform streamlines your workflow, saving you time that you can redirect towards growing your business or enjoying some downtime. Imagine how much time you could save by not needing to figure out how to connect a payment processor or your email system or managing monthly subscriptions and payment plans, allowing you to focus on what really matters and serving your clients and creating amazing content. Kajabi also easy to integrate with other payment tools, AI integration to guide you through building your Kajabi site and creating new content. Plus, Kajabi also includes easy to integrate payment tools, AI integration to guide you through building your Kajabi site and creating new content, plus Creator.io, which is a customer service bot to help your website or online course customers. Creator Studio allows you to repurpose your video content into blogs, social media posts, highlight reels, emails, sales pages, and more, as well as integrated access to Adobe Express and Common Ninja for additional widgets should you need them. And industry-leading support for yourself via Kajabi's online university, blogs, webinars, email support, 24/7 online agent chat support, and a helpful creator community as well. Here's my personal story, which you may relate to. I started out with an online course set up on my WordPress site. I manually sent a PayPal link to customers and then manually sent them the video on a landing page every day for 5 days in a row. It was a 5-day course. I tracked everything on spreadsheets and post-it notes in a whiteboard. It took me over 1.5 hours every day in administration. I had no tracking or analytics to help me understand my customers' behavior or course progress. I had no tracking or analytics to help me understand the customer behavior or course progress, and I had to manually track and record payments and send receipts. Does that sound familiar? Now with Kajabi, I personally have been able to go full-time in my own business, create multiple streams of income, and build my online business to a 6-figure business, which allows me to travel the world, and I've just recently purchased my first home. But don't just take my word for it.
What I love best about having my membership and my website, basically my business running on Kajabi, is that everything goes through that. So all my sales, my online sales for my my services and my Results Club membership all go through there. I can run emails to my database all from Kajabi, and it all links up. So if someone has downloaded one of my opt-ins, they then come into my become a subscriber in my list. I'm then able to send them normal emails as part of my regular marketing, but I'm also able to target them based on what they've been interested in. And then when they join me for workshops and then sign up to be a customer, it all is tracked in Kajabi, and it just makes for a really seamless experience for both my customers and for me. It makes my life so much easier having everything in Kajabi. So what I love best about having my membership and my website, basically.
So if you're tired of managing multiple subscriptions and want to just simplify your online business, then please consider trying Kajabi. With its all-in-one features, you can save money and time while creating a seamless experience for your team and your customers. Check the link in the description to explore Kajabi for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your business. You can get started today from as little as $55 per month. If you're not sure, reach out to me if you'd like to discuss if Kajabi is the right option for your business or which plan is best suited for you to start on. Most people will start on the basic or growth plans, which allows you a maximum of 3 or 15 products, and you can upgrade as you need to. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more tips on building your online empire. I'll see you in the next video.